Good evening, everybody. Welcome to the channel. So we're right under 200 subscribers. Can't believe that, man. That's awesome. 196 right before this video. So we just need 4 of you guys. 4 to subscribe right down there before we start this video. It's so easy. You just got to click the button and subscribe. Doesn't hurt you. Swear. You might get a notification though that I'm uploading a video. That doesn't hurt either. I appreciate everybody who's already subscribed to getting us to this 196 mark, and I hope we can get that 4 more with this awesome video that we're doing on the center console here. So this center console idea came to me because I wanted a double din. I want all the same features that I have in my 300 in this old school Lincoln TVs, the works, but there was no space for the double din, so we had to make space for it, and we have to make it look pretty after we make the space and all that. I'm happy with it, but I'm not extremely happy with it. It'll work. So if you have suggestions, I'm all about it. You can tell me my stuff sucks, but just tell me what to improve and how you would improve it. That crap with, oh, it just sucks. Come on, dude. I'm average guy DIY. I know it sucks. Help me improve. Without further ado, guys, let's take a look at this console and see how I put it together. Like shit, but I got the double din in. Sometimes you get stuck and you just got to do the thought process. Alright, looks like shit, but it's mounted in there. I claim to know what I'm doing because I've seen somebody on YouTube do it, I guess. How are we going to start this thing? That piece of foil right there. That gives us the curve down there so we know how to cut. We're going to use this cardboard for a trial cut. I'm going to mark this off with this foil for that curve over the hump. And then I got to mark up here for the top of the dash where I want it to stop. So I'm just going to cut out just a big square with this hump cut out, just to see if it fits in where I want it to with the hump right. Step 1. So we got another funny angle right there going down there. So we're going to reuse this handy dandy foil to get that angle. I think that'll do for the main box. We're going to build cup holders in front. Things were a little bit uneven, so this is attempt 2. Both side walls are attached, but now we need this again, the hump. Got that front section on there, the cup holders. Now we just got to do the top, and I think we're about set. And we have the makings of a center console. Transferring the patterns to the wood. And it's in, the stereo is mounted, and I absolutely hate it. It's not even, the foil shit didn't work, okay? Because look, it's got big old gaps down there that aren't even because the foil just didn't fit right. So I'm gonna go buy a tool and I'm gonna do this shit all over again. So we're at Lowe's and we need this curvature tool. So this is what we found. It's a little small to measure the hump, but we're gonna do the best we can with this thing. Late night tinkering. Got the gauges all mocked up here. Time to cut them out.